So, you've decided to incorporate Gowan's Group 3 and Group 8 granular herbicides into your weed management program to take advantage of the value of pre-emergent weed control and the alternative modes of action for herbicide resistance management? That's great. Before you get started, we want to help you get the most from our products by answering some common questions. Let's start with which product you should use. Avadex is the right choice for cereals like wheat and barley, where wild oats is the main grassy weed problem. Buckle fits where you not only have wild oats, but need to control pigeon grass and suppress downy brome in crops such as wheat, barley, and peas. And use Sonalan 10G in crops such as dry beans, lentils, sunflowers, and rapeseed. Be sure to consult the individual product labels for crop recommendations. Now, what about incorporation? A minimum of 1 pass using a heavy harrow is required. For best performance, we recommend 2 passes at right angles to one another. The first incorporates the herbicide, while the second ensures an even barrier. When's the best time to apply? All 3 products can be applied in fall or spring, so the best time is up to you and your schedule. Check the individual product labels for crops and seasons. Fall applications, regardless of the product, should occur when the soil temperature reaches 40 degrees Fahrenheit. For spring application, simply apply, incorporate, and plant. Let's talk field preparation. Fields with soil clods should be harrowed prior to application of a pre-emergent herbicide. Otherwise, any weed seeds that germinate within or below soil clods will not be controlled. Fields with greater than 30% residue are suitable for granular, followed by incorporation. However, for fields with a thick mat of crop residue greater than a ½ inch, granules may not reach the soil. These fields should be heavy harrowed before application and incorporation. Avadex, Buckle, and Sonalan should not be applied to fields that have been burnt or had manure applied within 12 months. The carbon left after burning and the high organic matter in manure can reduce performance. Now let's go over product application. A granular applicator, such as a Valmar or a floater, should be used to evenly apply the granules over the field. An even application, followed by proper incorporation, will ensure the formation of a continuous herbicide barrier in the soil. And finally, how do you know if it's worked? Avadex and Buckle control wild oats by destroying the waxy cuticle, thus killing the weed seedling as it grows through the treated layer. If you are seeing some wild oats grow through, slowly scrape back soil in the area to see the dying seedlings that never emerged. Sonalan targets the growing points, especially the root tips of weeds. Therefore, weeds that germinate in the treated layer will show purpling and yellowing symptoms and have stunted root systems. And that does it. You're now equipped with Gowan's best practices for soil-applied granular herbicides. You've made the right decision to take action against herbicide resistance development while reducing early season weed competition in your crops. Please contact your local retailer or Gowan representative for more information.